Assalamu alaikum. Today I am taking class 2 subject maths. What is this, children? Yes, this is money. So today we are going to learn about money. Why do we need money? We need money to buy things. In earlier days, paise were found in the form of coins, but nowadays only rupee coins and rupees notes are found. Indian currency is found in the form of rupees and paise. 100 paise equal to 1 rupee. 100 paise equal to 1 rupee. And this is the symbol of rupee. This is the symbol of rupee. For paise we will write P. For rupees we use this symbol. Now see here. Look at the picture of the toys having price tags. Add the price of the toys to find the total cost. You have to see here, rupees 15 is a ball, rupees 50 is a car, rupees 32 is kite, rupees 24 is a top, and rupees 44 is a book. Here they are given the pictures with the fill-ups. You have to write how much it is. Now car price is rupees 50 and the kite price is rupees 32. You need to add this. 0 plus 2 is 2. 5 plus 3 is 8. Already you know the addition, right? So you need to add 5, 6, 7, 8. So 82. So what is the both things cost is? Total rupees 82. In this way you need to complete this main. Now let us learn about combination of money. Combination of money means, now if I have to buy a pen, if I want to buy a pen, the pen cost is rupees 20. So how much I have to pay? 20 rupees 1 note or 10 rupees 2 notes. It makes rupees 20. Can you see a symbol rupees 20? This is the symbol of rupees. Now 10 plus 10 makes 20. Now if I want to buy another thing, like with the pen, if I want to buy eraser and the eraser cost is like 7 rupees, how much more money, how much combination of money I have to put here? Like, see here. Now the eraser cost is rupees 7. So here I have rupees 5 plus 2. So 5 plus 2 is 7. Now for the shopkeeper I have to pay, for pen cost is rupees 20 and plus eraser cost is 7 rupees. So what is the total amount I have to pay here? 27 rupees. 10 plus 10 plus 10, 5 plus 2. When you will add, you will get 727 rupees. Now you see practice exercise number 1. Read the price tag of each item and make the combination of coins and notes. You can make more than one combination. One has been done for you. Here you can see coins and notes they are given. Here they are given the items with the tag, that is rupees 70. Now you have to do two things here, like 50 plus 20. How much it is? 50, 60, 70 rupees. Now here 20, 20, 20 make 320 make 6 plus 10 is 70. In this way you have to do. Here I have picked to do E main. Now here we will do the combination of money for the shoes. Now you can observe here, what is the cost of the shoes here? Rupees 757. Now in the two way we have to do combination of money. Let us see here. Now 757. Here I have 500 note plus 200. 5 plus 2 makes 700. Then 757. So 57 I need here rupees 50. And then plus 5 plus 2 rupees coin. It makes 557. See here. 500 rupees note, 200 rupees note, plus 50 rupees note. Then 5 rupees coin and 2 rupees coin. How much it makes? 757 rupees. Now we will do one more combination of the same price. Now here see, for the same cost. First I use 500 plus 200 notes, right? Now here another combination. Here I have hundreds here. How many hundreds I have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have here 700 note. 100, 7 notes. So it makes 700. So plus 50. How much it's now? 750. Plus I need 7 rupees. So what I have used here? 5 plus 2. So how much it is? 757. So now you can see here two combination for the same price. 757 first I used here rupees 500, then 200, then 50 plus 5 plus 2 coin. Then another combination is hundreds notes. I have taken here 7 notes, then 50 note, then 5 plus 2 coins. So it makes 757. So in this way you have to complete practice exercise number 1. Now we will move to the practice exercise number 2. See, first only I have told 1 rupee. 100 paise makes 1 rupee. 100 paise makes 1 rupee. So, to convert rupees into paise, we have to put 2 zeros on the right. For example, here, now rupees 5. I will write 5. Now you have to put 2 zeros to your right. So, it makes paise. So rupees 5 equal to 500 paise. Now you see here convert into rupees. Now what you have to do? Here you need to remove the zeros. So rupees 3. Isn't it easy? So in this way you complete this exercise. Now we will move to the practice exercise number 3. Add the following. Already you know to add, children. So this is the carry sums with carry. When it comes 2-digit numbers, you have to set the carry one. I will remind you once. Now 6 plus 9. So already you know the 2 method. 1, 6 in the mind, 9 on the finger. After 6 you need to count down your finger. So another method is 6 plus 9. Draw the 6 lines, then plus 9 lines. So you need to add together. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 6 plus 9, it comes 15, write separately. Now 5 you have to write here, that is in 1's place, and 1 you have to send to the carry to the 10's place. Now 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6. So 36 plus 29 makes 65. In the same way you continue this. Now next come to the add the following second main. Here they are given paise and rupees. Before you learn tens and ones, right? In the same way you have to do this paise and rupees. So 9 plus 0. So already you know whenever you are adding any number to 0, the answer will be the same. Now 6 plus 2, 6, 7, 8. 9 plus 6, 9. Draw the 9 lines, then 6 lines, it gives you 15. So write 15, 5 here. And 1 you send the carry over. So 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 1, 6. 65 rupees, 89 paise. Do the same. Now we will move to the exercise number 4. Now here subtraction. So 5 minus 0, the answer will be the same, is 5. 7 minus 5, draw the 7 lines. You have to minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So remaining is 2. So in this way you need to complete this main. Now find the difference. Find the difference also nothing but it is subtraction only. Okay. See here 7 minus 5. Draw the 7 lines. And minus 5. Then you will get 2. 9 minus 3. Draw the 9 lines. Minus 3. Remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 62. Already you know this addition and subtraction, children. Be careful while you are doing, okay? 8 minus 9. Now here what is the difference? Yes, 8 is the smaller number. We can't subtract 9 from 8. So what do we have to do? I should borrow the carry from the 7 and make it 18. 7 you have to change in 6. Whenever you will borrow the carry, quickly change this number in before. Now, so after borrowing the digit, now it makes 18. So 18 minus 9. Draw the 18 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now 18 you have to minus 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So remaining is 9. So 6 minus 6, 0. So in this way you have to do the same. See children, next one is solving the word problems. While you are writing in the classwork, after writing this question, see you have to write the answer in the sentence. Okay, don't write directly only this answer. You have to write with sentence. For example, now I will show you here one. Tina bought 2 textbooks for rupees 13 and 50 paise and rupees 45 and 25 paise. How much did she pay altogether? Now see here, answer. One textbook for rupees 13 and 50 paise. Another textbook for rupees 45 and 25 paise. So Tina paid altogether. In this way you have to write the sentence. If you will not write the sentence in test, I will give 0. Okay, so practice this. And write full answer. Don't write only answer. With the question you have to write the answer for addition and subtraction children. Don't write only answers. Now 0 plus 5 makes 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 3 plus 5, 8. 4 plus 1, 5. So rupees, how much she paid to altogether here? Rupees 58.75 paise. Now here see, second one is the addition only, but third and fourth one is not addition. They are given the addition symbol, but it is the subtraction. So you have to complete this exercise number 5. Just change this plus in minus children.